Time for the USB microscope again. Seem to be getting a lot of bees flying into our conservatory, mainly because we've got great big open doors there, so they just fly straight in. So yeah, I've got a bee in here. At the moment he's up at the top, but I'll get the microscope out and see if we can see him before I release him. Right, this time we're filming through the side of the jar, so it's not going to be very good. We get glare off the glass from the light on the microscope. I can't turn the light off, which is annoying. I don't think we're going to see anything at all. No, that's not working at all. Complete waste of time. I'd be better off just trying to use the camera on macro mode. Right, well, we're in macro mode on the Canon PowerShot SX60HS, but we're obviously filming through the sides of the glass jar. So far from ideal, but it was absolutely hopeless trying to view it with the USB microscope. I will let this fella go in a second. I don't want to distress it too much. I was just hoping it might settle on the bottom or something so we can get a view of the top side of it instead of the underneath. I'll let it go, it's getting distressed. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.